Hello, you cool cats and kittens. We got some quick and dirty naming. If we can get Sir Persalot off the teaching table. Okay, here we go. We got some naming ionic compounds. So we'll go ahead and jump right in with a quick example. Some people are struggling with how do I get started? Well, first you need your periodic table. Hopefully the one you wrote all of your charges on. So we have all of our charges. We've got our highlighted ones to look for weird and Roman numerals. And we have all of our charges. We also have our polyatomic sheet. So if you forgot a polyatomic, you can just quickly look it up. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll see that we look up Mg, and that is magnesium. So I quickly flip here and put my finger on it. Magnesium. It has a +2 charge. That's very normal, no Roman numeral. So I just look up bromine, and I see that it's nothing special with bromine there, just regular old bromine. So from there, I'm just going to go ahead and write out magnesium. Bromine becomes bromide. Notice the ending. So let's look at the next one. Aluminum. So I put my finger on aluminum. There it is. So I'm going to write aluminum. This time, instead of chlorine, it's going to be chloride. That was pretty easy. So let's try another one. Now this one's getting a little harder because we got our polyatomics to deal with here. Na, most everyone knows that's nothing more than sodium. Now, you see 3 capital letters from the start. Hopefully fireworks are going off saying polyatomic alert, polyatomic alert. So SO4, hopefully you remember that sulfate, but let's pretend you don't. So you grab your polyatomic sheet, SO4 minus 2 is right there, good old sulfate. So next one, NH4 with a 3 at the bottom, and PO4. Wow, we got 4 capitals here. So it may be more than just one polyatomic, we may have 2. But notice it acts like an ionic compound here. So NH4 is nothing more than ammonium. Put my finger on them. Ammonium. And PO4, once again, there it is, phosphate. So ammonium phosphate. What if I asked you to go the opposite way? What if I give you the name and can you write the formula? Let's try that. Potassium. So let's pretend I don't know what potassium is. What do I do? What do I do? I look on the periodic table until I find it. I can't do a lot to help you there. You just got to keep looking. Don't give up. Keep looking. Potassium, K. So don't stop once you find the letter, though. Take your finger, go up to the top, and see that you put a +1 charge. So I'm going to put K +1. So far, so good. Some people just like to put plus there. Next one, oxygen becomes oxide when it has a -2 charge. So oxygen with a -2. Now we're just going to cross our heart, bring our 2 down here, and there you have it. Write it nice and neat, K2O, final answer. Not bad at all, is it? Notice I just brought the 2 over and not the charge. Why did I not bring the 1 over? Obviously you wouldn't say 1 oxygen, it's just understood to be 1 oxygen. So let's look at another one here. Gallium. I don't know where gallium is, Coach Keat. Well, put your finger on it. There it is. Now go up to the top. What charge does it have? +3. So gallium +3. Sulfur becomes sulfide when it has a -2 charge. So now you're ready to cross your heart. Bring the 2 down here. Bring the 3 over here. And there you have it. Ga2S3. It's really that easy. Slide it over so you can see it. All right, last 2 here. Beryllium nitrate. Be +2. Again, hopefully you're pausing this so you can actually look them up yourself. Nitrate. It doesn't end in IDE, so let's look on that polyatomic sheet. And there it is. NO3 -1. Notice I used parentheses there. Some people think of nitrate as a gang. We like to put them in parentheses to contain them. So -1 is the overall charge. Once again, cross your heart. But remember to bring it all the way over. So the 2 goes all the way over. Of course, you don't need a 1, so we'll make it pretty by writing BeNO3, 2. All right, last one, rubidium. Wow, Mr. Key, I've never heard of rubidium before. So we look on the periodic table, and there it is, number 37, Rb. So it has a +1 charge because I ran my finger to the top. And phosphate, ends in 8, look it up. PO4 -3. So what do I do with my charge? Cross my heart, bring that 3 over, final answer, Rb3, PO4, no parentheses needed. All right, I hope this helped on naming ionic compounds.